Hi, I'm Josh, and today I'm going to show you how to make base-free Chicken Tikka Dopiaza from scratch. A medium-heat curry suitable for most taste buds, a base of soft, gently fried, finely diced onions combined with delicate spices, chunky peppers and chunky onions. A full list of all the ingredients for the dish can be found in the description below. Before I begin, please take a second to subscribe, like the video and click that notification bell. Thanks. To start, heat a pan on low to medium heat and add 3 tablespoons of vegetable oil and half a finely diced large onion. Gently fry for 2 to 3 minutes until soft. Turn up the heat and add the other half of the onion, cut into chunks, along with a third of the red pepper, a third of the green pepper and half a teaspoon of salt. Stir through well and cook out for a couple of minutes. Add in 2 teaspoons of garlic as well as 1/4 of a teaspoon of ginger. Stir well to combine and cook for another 30 seconds. Tip in 1½ tablespoons of tomato paste mixed with around 4 tablespoons of water to help it blend and stir through, allowing the bitterness to cook out for around 30 seconds. Sprinkle over 3/4 of a teaspoon of cumin powder, 3/4 of a teaspoon of coriander powder, half a teaspoon of garam masala powder, half a teaspoon of turmeric powder, 1/4 of a teaspoon of chilli powder, and 1/4 of a teaspoon of sugar and mix in well. Add a little bit of hot water if it looks dry and fry for a couple of minutes until the oil starts to separate. Give it a stir and add 125 millilitres of boiling water. Mix in well and allow it to reduce for a couple of minutes. Mix again, then add the remaining 125 millilitres of boiling water. Combine well and allow it to reduce again for a couple more minutes. Add around 6 to 8 pieces of meat. Today I'm adding my chicken tikka, the link for the recipe is popping up now, and half a tomato cut into 4 slices. Coat in the sauce and allow it to reduce to the thickness you require. There is no need to stir unless it looks like it's about to burn. I normally cook out until the oil separates and the sauce is nice and thick. Sprinkle over a little fresh coriander and serve. Please remember to subscribe, like and leave a comment, and check out this and many more recipes on my website at thecurrykid.co.uk.